So, should you join State Employees Credit Union in Maryland? And the reason that I'm asking the question is because people are wondering, is it worth joining? And the reason they're wanting to join is because they know that, hey, they're starting to give out decent amount of funding, okay? And that's off of one hard pull. So with your business, now here's the thing about it with your business. If you're considering trying to join, first you would have to join them first, all right? Once you join, then you would have to open up a personal account and then a business account. Now let me tell you, okay, let me tell you something so you understand. If you're not registered in that state as a foreign entity, okay, then they will not allow you to get access to their business products, okay? Most credit unions are like that. The one that comes off the top of my head that's nationwide is Navy Federal. Anybody can join plus get access to their business credit cards, right? But with State Employees Credit Union in Maryland, you do either have to have your business registered in Maryland, actually doing business in Maryland, or you have to be a foreign business registered in Maryland, okay? Now, is it worth it? Well, you know, some people, if you're needing business funding and you have an average about a 680 credit score and you're willing to jump through the hoops to register your business as a foreign entity, so that means that you may have to get a registered agent unless you have a family member in that state where you can use their address, okay? So you're gonna have all of these expenses coming out of pocket if you're not a registered business in that state in order to do business with the State Employees Credit Union in Maryland, okay? That's one, all right? Like I said, you can get multiple credit lines with one hard pull. So say that you get a $50,000 line of credit, and then they also give you a $20,000 personal credit card, right? Now, here's something else I know a lot of people have been asking is, can I do it as a sole proprietor? Absolutely. Absolutely, you can apply for their business products. Again, you have to be registered. If you are out of state, you do have to be registered in that state. But for sole proprietors, yes, you could. Sole proprietors, LLCs, S Corps, C corporations, yes, you could. All right, now here's the thing about it. On the business side, they're going to pull your TransUnion, okay? Now, another thing they're going to take a look at, is your factual data is up to date. You know, a lot of people are trying to get business funding with companies that are not even in compliant, all right? So that's something I would definitely tell you to take a look at. One of the good things about this, okay, with their business lines of credit, I would say you're gonna need at least a 680 credit score. All right, you guys, you have to excuse the chimes. Excuse me. I'm out here on my front porch, just enjoying the breeze. So you have to excuse that. So that's the reason you don't hear the roosters going off. Most of you all see my videos and the roosters are going off was because I'm sitting on my front porch instead of on the back. Now, that being said, is in reference to personal, okay? In reference to personal, they've been known to pull your FICO 5 Equifax, okay? So that's your FICO 5 is your mortgage score. So for some of you all don't know the difference between your FICO 8, FICO 9, and FICO 5, click the link in the description and pull your real credit score. That's going to give you your FICO scores, okay? And so it'll give you the different credit scores. So with State Employees Credit Union, known for pulling your FICO 5, all right, you may have a better opportunity to get approved on the personal side as well. Okay, now on the personal side, with their lines of credit, and their personal loans is from 300 up to 30,000. Now they do offer the Visa signature card, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing, because most of the time your Visa signature cards, those are the ones that start with the credit limit of at least $5,000. Okay, so for some of you all that may have already been doing business with State Employees Credit Union, put a comment below. Let me know, did you ever apply for the Visa signature card, or have you applied for any of the other business products of State Employees Credit Union? What were the hoops you had to jump through? You know, so that way the rest of the community can know what to expect. Now, here's something else. What happens if you don't get approved and they won't accept you? So what do you do then? Well, if you got a 680 credit score, I would consider, and I have an established business that's generating revenue, I would probably either go for the PayPal Visa business credit card, which I made a video on, so I'll put a link in the description for that. Or I may go for something much easier with Corpay. Corpay, they offer credit cards starting at $1,000, but they do pull the Experian FICO 8. Okay, where with PayPal they pull your Experian FICO 9. Okay, so you have more flexibility on the FICO 9 than the FICO 8. All right, so if you have any other questions about building up your business credit, building up the personal credit, click the link in the description, schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.